Authorities in Platte County, Nebraska, said about 25 cars were involved in a chain reaction pileup near the Highway 91 and Highway 81 junction. The accident was caused by an intense blizzard hitting eastern Nebraska. Luckily, no serious injuries were reported. Intense rainfall over several days has triggered flooding in 5 regencies of central Kalimantan province. Over 120,000 people were affected, and material losses were caused as the floodwaters were reaching as high as 2.5 meters, or 8.2 feet, in some villages. A strong tornado hit 2 villages in Bondowoso Regency of East Java province. A total of 202 houses and other buildings were reported damaged by the twister. This incident also resulted in 11 people being injured, 2 of them seriously. Heavy rainfall has been affecting western Bolivia, particularly the La Paz department, resulting in the overflow of the Tipuani River. Local media report around 2,500 displaced people and approximately 150 damaged houses across the aforementioned department. At least 5 people lost their lives, while 4 of them were traveling in a vehicle that was surprised by a swollen river while crossing a bridge. The accident has left 2 others injured and 2 minors missing. A strong earthquake, with a magnitude of 5.6, hit Cartago, Colombia's Valle del Cauca department, at 6:26 local time, and at a depth of 52 kilometers, or 32 miles. The quake caused the death of a 53-year-old woman in El Aguilar, and damage to many homes and buildings, in several departments. The passage of Storm Juan through Spain, from west to east, has caused numerous traffic complications with snow and flooding, forcing the closure of several motorways and main roads. Approximately 600 drivers found themselves trapped in their vehicles on a motorway in the Castile and Leon region due to dangerous driving conditions. In Extremadura and Catalonia, Storm 1 left heavy rain on its journey across the region, which caused the flooding of many roads and several urban and rural areas. The Russian region of Tatarstan was hit by a severe blizzard, which reduced severely visibility, leading to a series of road accidents on the highways. The most severe was a pileup involving about 50 vehicles. As a result of this accident, 3 people were injured, one of them was hospitalized. Intense downpours lashed the Crimean Peninsula, leading to floods and landslides in some places. In Sevastopol, after the Chernaya River overflowed its banks, 78 houses, home to 171 people, were flooded. Roads were also flooded, and power outages were reported in some areas. A complex filament eruption occurred on the Sun, producing a long-duration C3.5 solar flare, which peaked at 9:34 UTC. The subsequent coronal mass ejection is expected to reach Earth late in the UTC day on January 22, producing G2, moderate geomagnetic storming. Flash flooding has been recorded in parts of the Central Division, including some neighborhoods of the capital city Suva, after the continuous heavy rain led to the overflow of the rivers. A massive landslide occurred on the Badrinath National Highway in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. A part of the mountain broke and fell on the road, damaging the stretch of about 100 meters. No loss of life or property was reported. A total of 18 villages in the Sangha Desa district of South Sumatra province were flooded. Some residential areas were submerged by strong currents that occurred due to the overflow of a number of tributaries and rivers, while the officials reminded the residents of the threat of crocodiles during floods.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Special thank you to my stunning patrons, Hagop Sargisian, Michael Joseph Wilhelm, Dave and Alana, web designer Ganesh Vad, John and Claire Heath, Adam Gareth and April, and of course Leslie Sales. Thank you very much, guys.